what is the carbon market in India, which respect to. So now in 2015-16, it was almost a little clear that Kyoto Protocol is not, we have to move forward with Kyoto Protocol. And the COP decided that every country will determine its own goal. So everybody determined its own goals. India had 8 goals, which it shared with the world. And in the Paris Agreement, it was also written that every government can also create their compliance market or carbon credits, which should be fungible, exchangeable. So Government of India amended Energy Conservation Act, Section 14AA, and provided for creation of Indian carbon market. All right. And Indian carbon market rules, the power of making rules, the rules were also made. These rules are called Carbon Credit Trading Schemes 2023. Under carbon credit trading schemes, India will create its own carbon market. It is work in progress. By maybe after 4, 5, 6 months, the carbon market in India will be operational. Hope the best happens.